Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Capital One Spark Business Card. Whether you're looking to earn rewards, enjoy cash back, or simply improve your business's financial flexibility, this guide will walk you through the entire application process. Step 1. Research your eligibility. Before applying, it's important to understand the eligibility requirements for the Capital One Spark Business Card. Ensure that you meet the following criteria. You are the owner or an authorized user of a small business. You have a solid credit score, usually in the good to excellent range, typically 670 plus. You have the necessary documentation, such as your business details and financial history, ready for submission. Step 2. Choose the right Spark Business Card. Capital One offers several Spark Business Card options, including Spark Cash for Business, earns cash back on every purchase; Spark Miles for Business, earns miles for travel-related purchases. Choose the card that best suits your business needs based on the rewards and features you're looking for. Step 3. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website. From there, navigate to the Business section and select the Spark Business Card option that interests you. Make sure to review the terms, benefits, and fees associated with the card. Step 4. Begin the application process. Once you've selected the card, click on the Apply Now button. You will be prompted to create or sign in to your Capital One account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Step 5. Fill out the application form. You will be asked to provide key information about your business, including business name, address, and phone number, type of business, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, etc. Your role in the business, owner, officer, etc. Financial information, business revenue, expenses, etc. Personal details, including your Social Security number, SSN, and income information, if required. Step 6. Review and submit your application. Once all the required fields are completed, review your application for accuracy. Make sure all details are correct, as providing false or misleading information can delay your approval. After reviewing, click the Submit button to send in your application. Step 7. Wait for approval. Capital One will review your application and make a decision, typically within a few business days. If approved, you'll receive your Capital One Spark Business Card in the mail. If additional information is needed, Capital One may reach out to you for clarification. Step 8. Activate your card. Once your card arrives, you will need to activate it. Follow the instructions that come with your card or log into your Capital One account to complete the activation process. Step 9. Start earning rewards. After activation, you're ready to start using your Capital One Spark Business Card and begin earning rewards, whether that's cash back or travel miles. Be sure to monitor your business expenses and use the card for your day-to-day purchases to maximize your rewards.